Are you struggling to speak English confidently? Does it feel like you're stuck before you even start? Don't worry, this one simple tip will help you build strong sentences and sound fluent in no time. Let's discover why starting with the subject is the secret to better communication. Ready? Let's dive in.
Who is baking cakes for the party?
The little girl is baking the cake for the party.
Two. Who examined the patient carefully?
The doctor examined the patient carefully.
What helps expand your knowledge?
Reading books helps expand your knowledge.
What keeps her healthy?
Jogging keeps her healthy. What takes years of practice?
Playing the piano takes years of practice. What is a great way to stay fit?
Swimming is a great way to stay fit.
Who went hiking in the mountains?
Two boys went hiking in the mountains.
Who decided to postpone the meeting?
The team decided to postpone the meeting.
Mastering sentence structure is key to confident speaking. Every sentence starts with a subject, be it you, someone else, or an action. Practice daily, and expressing yourself in English will feel natural. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to join our learning community. Let's make your English journey a success.